Good morning. So this morning I'm going to pick up my cousin Megan because she is coming back to school with me for the week because we are going to do something exciting on Saturday, but I'll let her tell you about that later. Okay, so we made it to school. Megan's here for she's going to college.
I'm a loud person.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go into class and she's just gonna like hang out around. She'll find something to do. She's gonna eat goldfish. But yeah, I'm gonna be late, so I gotta go.
Hey guys, so we're in the car.
We got out of class. You got an update, girl.
Okay, we just got out of class. And
she got to meet Jess and Bo and Abby.
And now we're at Publix.
Now we're at Publix. We have to get food. We need dinner. We need to eat. Unfortunately.
No, that's fortunately. But I'm gonna get out of the car, talking, and act like a total crazy person, cause you know. We've got to get the Lunchables.
The Lunchables, very
So
important.
which one do you want? I think, I don't know. Honestly. I think, yep, that was the right button. Alright, so we just got out of Publix. We got a whole bunch of grub. So, how would you rate that shopping experience?
10 out of 10.
And should we go to Publix again?
Yes. 10 out of 10.
So, you heard it from us first, so try me.
We came down to the clubhouse to take cute pictures.
Yes.
This is our new like setup down here. We've got hammocks and grills and fire pits and fountains and cute pictures. Okay.
So we just got back from taking pictures.
Yep. And I don't know what we're gonna do yet.
I think we're gonna.
I'm gonna have a
YouTube.
fortune cookie. We're gonna watch videos.
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good. We'll keep you updated.
We're watching. Who's this?
Kristen and Marcus.
Kristen and Marcus. And we have some Abby Rose. You pretty girl. We have college in the morning. I mean, yes.
We're going to college.
I'm in college now.
Yeah, she's going to class.
Art class. I've been laughing so much today. My cheeks are so red.
Actually hurt.
Yes, in my jaw. She learns so fast. I wonder if she'll smack it again. Hey guys, it's Megan. It's Julie. What is on your face?
What?
So, we're watching some Impractical Jokers. Yes.
Cheers. Abby just did the fidget spinner.
Yes, on this fidget spinner. You get 20,000 views. We'll give this one away,
No,
okay?
I won that. That's very special to me. And it glows in the dark, okay? Buy you a brand new one for like $50 and we'll give that away.
Who would buy that?
You will. Are you kidding me? I do anything for my viewers.
Or she ate it. Oh, eating it.
She's licking the cheese off.
I think that's all she wanted was cheese.
She's marking it. Abby, just eat it. Stop playing with your food. Okay, so I'm going to end the vlog.
Yes.
Something good that happened today was that it's Riley's birthday. Happy birthday, Riley. I love you and I miss you.
Something good that happened today was that my dad came back from his job to say goodbye to me.
Aww.
Before I left to come here.
Good night.
Good night.